What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Y'all, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you are wrong with? I know game. Anytime you're ready, girl, on the name. The place make me fly. In a rain, I make you feel high like on a plane. She said I saw the love, the act. Face fine, sweet, and I touch this fat. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, go to the shot. Come wine till you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Come broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Girl, your body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You're pretty like the melody.
Hey guys, as you guys can see that there is a festival thing going on today. It's so hot. I'm gonna keep my talking to a minimum because I can't.
The problem you got now with a fix it. And when you dance to me, song it on a big beat. Up like a drum on a beat, it's your tight like a secret. So you feel wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Why this make you feel like you?
Hey guys, so we're at the last temple. Exhausted. It was hot. Mind you, we were scared when we came here. Not like, something's gonna happen. Like, that it was gonna rain all the time. And today's the first day it's rained. It started sprinkling. Now it's like pouring. So hopefully this one, we're not outside. Or hopefully the rain stopped. Because we can't do that. We cannot do that. Here we are. It is outside. But there is shelter. Around. Dollar bill commuter. I ain't trying to get wet, honestly. We shall wait, so we'll see you guys there. Bye.
Broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Okay, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Yeah, yeah. Ladies, compare, compare. Yes, look at them.
y'all know we've been running around, so I'm super excited. Like, I need them to get into the deep tissues. Like, let's get to the, you know, the meat and potatoes of the problem, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys. They say they're gonna give us like the VIP room. Super excited. So we got some granny panties, but I'm excited. Hey guys, so we just finished the massage. It was good. It was good. I feel like I really got worked into. You know what I mean? It really got into the meat. Okay, to the tendons and the joints and the everything. So I feel relaxed. I feel good. A little wine cooler by the beach with the show. Are you receiving what I'm saying? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? So we'll see how that goes. D, how did you like it?
I would say 10 out of 10. I was waiting for more. Can you believe that?
So after they left the room, you know, I'm not gonna jump up to my clothes on too quick. You know, so give it 5-10 minutes. She's over here. She's over there thinking they take a break.
Listen.
The massage is 1 hour, babe. But, you know, we relaxed. She's over here yearning for more.
I might have to come back.
No, we will be getting massages, especially like, because I think this is like 500, 550.
Oh my God,
so if we find one, what?
She was like, ooh.
They were laughing.
I'm like, they never seen a buff bitch before.
What did she say? And then when she would like get to my neck, I was like, we were weak as fuck. Just know one thing about it, and two things for sure: we were weak. We were laughing. We were giggling. We were cackling. So, ooh, ooh.
She said, ooh, tattoo. It was nice.
She was amazed. Okay.
She loved my tattoo. You know what I mean? Like, what?
Maybe I should get one before. I don't know. Okay, but we're out of here, and so we'll see you at the show. Bye. Hey guys, so it's morning time. We woke up, we had breakfast. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys, but we're here tomorrow. We're gonna eat tomorrow, so don't be mad at me. Not too fucking much, but look at the view. This is your side. So calm, so relaxing. We literally Ebuka patonge, you know, little chat right here, like, yeah, so like my life is, you know, falling apart. But yeah, I'm totally love the view. Now this hotel, I would kind of give it like 6 out of 10, and that's pretty good. That is pretty good. Like, you know, the view's obviously amazing, but I just feel like the hotel room in itself, it's really not like the, you know, like the shower looks cute, but then, you know, I was taking a shower last night and it just took forever for the water to get warm. And there's just like this smell in the room, but it's obviously, I think, like from the wood, like a woody smell. Not the biggest fan, and D is definitely not a fan at all. Like, it's tolerable, it's okay. You know, we're not here too much in the room anyway. We're out and about like we're about to be. So on today's agenda, excuse me, it was at breakfast. It was a mango and pineapple for me. And we had a little ginger shot. So I'm gonna show you guys that tomorrow. Don't worry. I'm about to take over. And as you guys can see, I'm sweating. But we're gonna go to like some temples. So we're just gonna go to Fisherman's Cove, which is you guys are gonna now see today. And we're just gonna get like a simple dress. And there's this really cute cover up that I saw. And so we're gonna get that, and then we're gonna go, and then we have a hike to these waterfalls. You know, a little trekking bay. You know, little nature hike. And then we're gonna do like a beach club, relax. You know, regroup. You know, midday, have some lunch, snack, drink if you like. And then after that, we're gonna catch a sunset somewhere, probably come back here, freshen up, go to the beach, have dinner. So hopefully everything goes according to plan. It almost always does. If there's any changes, you guys are gonna be the first to know. So let me know how you guys are feeling about the trip so far. I love Thailand. I love Thailand. And I was just telling this other girl, you guys are gonna meet her. We met a UK ting yesterday, so she's gonna be joining us later. We don't know what part, but you know, she said she'll contact us, so boom, bet, cool. And I think I love Bali more, and because I think it's like, it was like my first baby, you know, like your first child is always gonna be so important to you. Like, you were my first experience, like, you know, your first love. Okay, so maybe that's why I'm still attached, but I still love it here as equally. It's literally like the same vibes, like for real. Like this little fisherman cove that you guys are gonna see literally reminds me of Bali 1000%. So come on, let's go. Look at the view one more time. Get it in, smell it in, look at it. And then we'll see you at the cove. So we're on like the fisherman street thing, and you guys can see it's a lot of beachfront, boutique, bars, food places. There's so many, and it's so pretty. And imagine, you guys can see like the cars are coming down this little ass road. You know, so no, you can't drive both directions. It's a one-way. Super pretty.
Unless you like a bike.
Do you guys see that? This is a famous one, Coco Tams. It usually gets popping later, but this is so cute at night, guys. Like, they all light up. It's such a vibe. Open kitchen, you guys see everything. Like, what? So cute. So like I said, everything is on this little strip. So if like your bikini breaks, come down here, literally walk down here. If you're staying close by and get a new bikini, you need a dress like me, come down here, look at what they got. Ice cream, like you name it, they got it. Tattoos. Who wants a tattoo? Who wants a tattoo? I might get one at the end, but in Phuket though. As you guys can see, there's like that. No photos, please. Oh, and there I was taking a photo. Well, not a photo, but pictures. But yeah, you just keep like walking around. There's so many restaurants. So we decided to grab a quick snack. Bomb. 10 baht. And that's gonna get me to where I need to be. How do you like it?
Bomb. The street food out here?
Good, how are you? Later. We're famous around here. We representing it here tonight.
They're not gonna let me out fast. I'll go in there.
We need to do the one where they crush our soul. And I'm ready for it. Really get into the bone marrow. That's what I want. The bone marrow. Oh, these dresses are cute. They're not appropriate. Let's go to the one that we stopped at yesterday. So hopefully good price today. Very good price, I buy. No good price, I no buy. Yeah, this store looks expensive. And then you can always like book tours here. They have everything. You want a painting. And so yeah, guys, we'll just keep walking a little bit. It's good exercise. Yes, the street food is really inexpensive and you'll be eating a lot of it, but also you'll be walking and sweating, so balances. Make sure you eat your fruits and vegetables, kids. Always have like a salad and fruit. Get the digestive system going. And I think this is the one that I was talking about for the cover up, which is perfect. These swimsuits over here are very expensive, but this is what I wanted. Let me see what color I want, and you guys are gonna see me in it. How about that? A little surprise for you guys. So hey guys, so I'm at this restaurant, and it's right by the airport. So you know, you see the planes landing. I don't think you can see them taking off. Like when we were parking right over there, we saw it like land down that way. So that's a pretty cool view to see while you eat, and it's authentic Thai food. The prices are amazing, 60 to 80 baht per meal, and they give you like a lot of food. So I'm really excited for you guys to see what I'm gonna get and how it tastes. So I'm really excited, guys. So come on in. And so you see like they already have this out here. Oh, I think this is catfish. I'm not sure. That looks like pork. I could be wrong. So it's like super open, very like cute. What are your thoughts, Dee?
This is very simple.
I need this one.
So yeah, we're definitely.
This is spicy. Yep, there.
So they're really cooking it up. Ooh. Flavorful, guys. So I can already feel it in my throat. So that's how you know it's gonna taste good. I'm super excited. The food looks delicious. We've already had a couple of the fries. We got their drink, as we drinking mango juice. Are you guys excited? Can I get a woo woo? Woo woo. This is the curry. These are their noodles. Look at that. The shrimp. Are you kidding me? And then the french fry, and I think this is like a mayo. And then we have that. The food was amazing, as you guys can see. We came, we conquered. I definitely recommend trying food at local joints. It's much cheaper and so much better. So yeah, we'll see you guys at the, what is it? Where are we going? You know, like when you eat and like you're just like confused. So we'll see you guys at like the Happy Buddha. So it's like 2 minutes away. America, we need this. We need this. You see like how innovative. ASU, where you at? Stand up.
Not ASU.
So I'm gonna get mine wrapped up. We'll see you guys at the Happy Buddha over there somewhere. Hopefully we find some appropriate clothing. If not,
Oh well.
we can't do nothing about it. All right, bye. Okay guys, so we got covered up. I could be all the way covered up, so give us that. See. Let's see.
Okay.
Body looking like milk. It's like super flowy. I really feel like, come give me a hug. Oh, wow. Alright guys, we just finished up. Now we are about to head into the waterfalls. Who's ready? Are you ready to get wet? Because I'm ready to get wet. And there's like so many viewpoints. The stairs. Me. Ow. Guys, we stopped on the middle of the street just to see that. Like, that is so beautiful. How cute. It's like, I think you can walk all the way out there. Like, I seen people earlier, and I remember like, oh shit, we gotta stop so you guys can see. Imagine on a sunny day. 3 people on there. Bada, so let me get in the car. How cool is that, D? What do you think?
It's beautiful.
If it was shallow, would you walk all the way out there?
I would. We could walk to that little dry spot.
That's what I'm saying. It is, yeah. Tomorrow we're up at 4 a.m.
Hold on.
2 a.m. even. But yeah, guys, we'll see you at the waterfalls. Bye. Logging out. See ya. Sayonara.
I got five on it. So you rock the boat. Let's get geek. I got five on it. Nothing with that in the weed. I got five on it. It's got me stuck and I'm too bad. I got five on it. Now let's go have a
Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna?
God damn. We can't find a waterfall, y'all. Like, we literally have been driving in circles. We literally went to the village and, you know, they said, oh, like, go there, go there. I'm up, down, windy, down. I'm like, where is it? Because, like, the GPS is literally telling us to go back where we came from. I'm not gonna go there. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Hell nah. Because literally, that's just the way we just came from. There's a cobra show. Should we go see? A snake, a king cobra fight. Do they fight or do you? I don't know. I don't know what the king cobra show is all about. I just saw that on the map. If anybody in the comment knows what the cobra show is all about, let me know, and maybe next time when I'm here, I'll take you guys, you know, because this is supposed to be like a real treat. Hopefully D has some good news for us.
They basically told us to turn around.
Where?
Like, on the right.
So go back?
Basically where we were.
That's where it was?
Yeah.
But where?
They said turn right this way.
Turning, God, but these waterfalls are pretty. That's why I'm just like, whatever. But I'll see you guys there if we ever make it. We finally found it. I thought we would never make it here, but turns out everybody else was lost too. Everybody else was up in the village, up in the woods, up in the neck of the woods, not knowing where to go, asking for directions, and just still not knowing where to go. So look like that. We're here, very foresty. I can hear the water. Let's go. Let's go. D's scared of the rain. D.
She's laughing at me because I look like this.
Bitch, the waterfall. Even if it wasn't raining, D, were you like the waterfall was still gonna like act as rain? So I don't know what all that's about.
Are you gonna take care of me?
Yes, I am. Y'all know I'm a certified lifeguard, certified CPR agent. So there ain't no dying around me.
Last time you give CPR?
Listen. And the whole time my CPR thing is expired. But anyway, that's besides the point. Just know when you're rolling with me, yeah, I could save your life need be. But oh my God, enough chit chat. You guys get to see my face all the time, but wait. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? D, you look so sick. Come on. Hopefully I don't fall. Standing on a rock, but you guys see me? You guys see me? Super cool. D, take that. I need everybody in the comments to put a laughing emoji. Bitch, the lighting? Gone easy. She's taking it off, guys. Woo woo. Woo. Yeah. Pop some champagne in the comments for her. Pop the champagne. Skin out. Sexy gal damn. Damn, Ma, you was hiding all that under that. Say, I'm gonna have to take you home with me. Okay guys, once I get in, you guys of course know you guys are gonna join me, but let's get the pictures. Let's take in the scenery, okay? Cause we don't know if it's gonna be pouring, so we need to hurry it up. So we just took pictures. The lighting is not the best. waiting for D to come back. Hopefully I'm gonna get in the water. As you can see, like right there. And then yeah, next time wake up early. We woke up late today and we wasted a lot of time. But yeah. Oh, you guys ready to get in? Honestly, I don't want to get in. Yeah! Don't want to get in, but God didn't give me the ability to swim for no reason, so. Okay, I'm gonna swim. I don't even know where I'm going, guys. I'm just trekking. I'm acting like I can't swim because I don't want to get my hair wet. But I'm gonna take you guys under. Let me know what you guys see, okay? I like being in bodies of water, guys. I love it so much. It's like Mother Nature is talking to me like right now. Maybe waterfalls are, I don't know, I can't explain it. You know, I know nothing about this. Let's go then. Okay guys, this is another waterfall. I don't know where to next. I'm not really hungry unless you what he says. But yeah. It's time to get serious. It's been fun. Signing out. Sayonara. Bye. Hey guys, so we were driving back to the hotel and then we saw a little like night market, and so I was like, oh my god, let's stop. He was like, okay, I'm down. And so now we're here.
See how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them never.
It's just like a little like night market food. Ooh. The fried chicken here, let me tell you, some Asians can make the best fried chicken ever. Black people, I don't know, I'm sorry. We need to step it up. I don't know if it's the MSG. I don't know what they do, but it's always crispy, goodness. Yeah, this is like a food market. Basically, come hungry. Come with your stomach empty. I think we're supposed to be wearing masks. I'm sorry. I think I have a mask in my thing. Oh my god. What is this? Exotic fruits, guys. Right up my alley. You guys know me, an island girl, and I do speak a little bit of English. Wow. Good shit, guys. Good shit. I'll buy one. I said I'm on snack. Oh, bitch, the lighting. Look at my pretty ass friend. Fine as fuck. She's single, hit her up. My GoPro's about to die, guys. Should I run and get the other battery? How important are you guys to me? I think I'll go get it. Where did we last leave off, mi amigos and mi amigas? So, we tried the fried chicken. Absolutely fell in love. We got some more. So this is like a dinner type of thing. Oh, and D got some more meat. How do you like it? Oh, that shit stinks. There's some durian, the fruit. So actually, I'm gonna try some durian. And then there seems to be like, I don't know, I had this in Bali. I think it's called salak. Salak? Yes. Oh my god, salak is so good. They have it in Bali. So yeah, guys, I had this a long time ago. It was so good. And this is the durian? Jackfruit. Jackfruit. The thing that stinks is the fish. This is jackfruit. Kind of looks similar. But yeah, I'm gonna just pick up a couple of fruits, give it a try. What is this called? Saton? So yeah, I'm just gonna get a couple of things. and then we'll eat. Are you guys hungry? Because I'm kind of hungry. After those waterfalls, oh my god. And then I'm gonna get the squid for you guys. Squid? Yeah, whatever calamari is, but not deep fried. It's like grilled, so I'm super excited about that. So yeah. I'm scared. We got potato rounds. It tastes like mandazi. The sweet mandazi. I really like it. And you can put like cinnamon sugar on it, I'm sure. It's like sweet rather than savory. Or who's listening, you can make it savory, like a little garlic butter, you know, type thing. I got some mango salad. And I think this is like some type of like apple. Something stinks. This is right. Describe the chicken to us. It's like very flavored, like very, how do you call it? Like, it gets your mouth watery, like even when you're eating. Damn, my mouth is salivating right now. That doesn't make sense you eating it, but like, it's still like. She's telling us about the love of her life right now, aka the chicken. Are you gonna propose to the chicken? Tonight? She's making love. I'm sorry. It's good. She ain't sorry. 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 I'm sorry. Wow, look at this. And this sauce? Wow, look. Damn, little mom, you sure do know how to put it away. Sure do know how to put it. Good job, girl. You know. Get that in there. God damn, y'all see all this spit coming out my mouth? God damn. I'm telling you. God damn. We're gonna let her eat. Let me get into it too, you know what I'm saying? You know? I'm over here not trying, you know, so hard not to grab it from you. This is a thing that can cause fights. You know, this can break up families. But yeah, guys, the food here. But I really like the potato balls. She let us taste try it. I was like, oh yeah. You know, so bad. She wanted her. I'm gonna save you for later. She's going in. Nom 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 nom. Get it. Gone. Gone easy. Chicken. Who wants some? Tell us what you eating. I'm gonna go for this one. Ooh, beautiful. Hey babe, how are you? I was thinking we should get married sometime. I kind of like you. We should try it. We should invite Stacy too, you know, because she kind of goes good with this. Anyway, guys. Oh my god. This is the best chicken I've ever had in my entire life. I've had chicken. Yeah. Describe it with the word. With a beautiful word. You scared me? Brooklyn, scared the fuck up. You thought your mama made good chicken? Boy, don't even make good nothing. You guys do not understand. This is the best chicken. What is cake like? Even. Yeah. Y'all never had good chicken. Y'all never had good chicken. Yep, that's all I'm gonna say. Take one last bite. And that is it for us over here. The chicken. That's what it went today. Not here, okay. And her ass still got fat. Meanwhile, God, you know, give me Nash. You know, give me big breasts. Give me something. Please. Wait, cause it's poking, ain't it? Tell me in the comments. There's probably food in my teeth, y'all. Ignore that, cause y'all know a bitch just got down and dirty with it. And so yeah, we're just going back to the hotel right now. I'll keep y'all updated like always, you know. I got like an apple, salad, and mango. A little midnight snack, if you will. What do you guys midnight snack about? Let me know in the comments. Hey guys, so it's the end of the night and we're getting a pancake before we go to bed. We're not going out tonight. We have a long day tomorrow. So here is the best pancake ever. This is how you do it. Is it the best?
Yes, it is the best.
The best, as you guys have heard from the man, the one and only.
To the end, so it really ain't ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the whoop. 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside. And I split it with the guys. We up on the
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy. What's your favorite flavor? Which one do you like? You like that one? Wow. I guess I was basic. I should have got that one.
You like strawberry and Nutella?
Yeah.
Ooh la la.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Ooh la la.
Oh, wow. Right here.
Thank you.
The best pancakes. Ready? The best pancake. Y'all see it here.
Good.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Do you want to try it?
It's good.
The best, guys. If you're in Koh Samui, Fisherman's Village, come get the best. Yes. Thank you so much. You have a good night.